Hi everyone, today with a new scholarship video. Today video is about Hamad bin Khalifa University Scholarship 2026, and they announced as these scholarship on 1st October. These scholarship are for a PS, Master and PhD and for the law degree students. So in this video we will check about that what kind of documents, eligibility and benefit you will get and how you can apply on this scholarship. Let's move toward the scholarship first. If we talk about its detail, we talk about its detail, that country is a Qatar. University name is Hamad bin Khalifa University. Bachelor, Master, and PhD. And financial benefit is a fully funded. Deadline is 1st February 2026 for international students, and 15 March 2026 is for Qatari national that who are local students. They can also apply in this scholarship. And now, what kind of documents you need? All must be submitted. Academic transcript, complete application, standardized test result, where applicable, letter of recommendation. You need two letter of recommendation. You can get these letter of recommendation from your previous college, your university, and where you study your last degree. And personal statement. You have to make a personal statement that why you are applying for the scholarship, what is your previous background, and what will be your future goal. Right, give them your CV, passport copy, or any identity document. Research proposal is very important thing. I mentioned this thing in all scholarship. When you are going for a research degree scholarship, you have to make confirm about the research proposal. And now, benefit that the HBKU graduate scholarship cover the monthly stipend for BS, for MS, for a PhD, and they also cover your accommodation, tuition fee covered, and return ticket per year. It means that every year, if your degree is 4 year or 2 year, mean they every year they will give you a return ticket. You can go back your home and spend your holiday and come back. And those students who are married, they also provide a family housing that you can take your family with you during your study period. And next one, that which kind of programs they are offering. They are offering a college of Islamic studies, and there are a lot of programs here. College of Humanities and Social Sciences, College of Science and Engineering. They have a lot of program for master, bachelor and PhD. The bachelor is Bachelor of Science and Computer Engineering. College of Law, Juris Doctor, LLM, and Doctor of Judicial Science and LLM. College of Health and Life Sciences, and College of Public Policy. They're offering a master and PhD program and a bachelor program, but bachelor program are very less. You have to find them in the on the program website. Then easily you can apply on this. And what is the eligibility? A student should be international or national. Each degree program has its requirement that you also have your required documents, good academic, and if you have a IELTS, you can submit that score. Otherwise, you don't need it. How to apply for scholarship? I will guide you in this process, that how you can apply in the scholarship and how you can make an account and how you can choose your courses. This one is there a main website, unlock your potential. And our graduate program, and they have 5 steps there. First, you have to create your account, submit application, upload documents, application review, and receive offer of admission. So these are the main steps that you have to fulfill all of them. First, you have to create account. You will submit your application. After submission, they will give you to how to upload the document. Before, in a during application, you cannot upload any kind of documents. Then your application review. If your review is passed, you will receive admission notice. Otherwise, you are rejected. And then what you have to do, click on apply now. As when you click on apply now, they give you this page. Here you can make an account. First of all, if you have account, click on email, add your email and password, and click on login. Otherwise, you can click on create account. First, click on create account. When you click on create account, then you have to add the information about your email, your nationality, your phone number, any kind of other information you have to add. Also choose your password. But during a account making, you can also choose the program here. You can, they mention that, for example, entry term is a fall 2026, academic level and academic program. You can choose academic level and in doctor, graduate, professional and undergraduate. And here you can choose the programs here. These are for the bachelor program, doctor program, graduate program, master programs. And then you can create account. They will send you an email in your account, and from that email you can verify your email address, and you will be eligible to log in the HBKU portal, and then you are eligible to create your new application. Okay, now we will move toward that login account. We have to log in here. For example, I have already account, so I will write my email and password here and sign in. After signing, they will show you that click on create application. You have to click on create application or new application. Then you will have a five to six steps to complete. First one is your personal detail, your education, your additional, and your review your application. These all of the things you have to handle out during your application. But watch the video step by step. Until you don't watch it, you never get the information. It's very important thing. Okay, after login, when you log in your account, they will show you a like a create application. You have to create application and choose your program, and then they will show you this interface like Master of Science in Biological and Biomedical Science. I choose that program. So first of all, you have to add the information like your plans, your international. I already choose Master of Science. Here you can change your program also, and fall entry. Just click on save and continue. This website is not working well. Maybe in your country when you are doing your work, it take too much time. I don't know what's happening in this website, and but you can take the other information about the scholarships and the things on the main website. Okay, now the personal information. You have to add your name, last name, your email address, and your country phone address. Also, you have to. They ask you some question. Are you a national or resident of Qatar? You can click it no. You can choose your address line here, and then what's the important thing here? You can choose your country and give a zip address, emergency address, and also you can choose country, your citizenship, and all of the things you have to mention in your personal data. Okay, this is the main website. They have all of the things and information here about the admission, about the scholarships. Like if you click on the admission, they will show you tuition fee, scholarship, billing and payment, undergraduate, graduate. They have mentioned the requirement. You can search the requirement, and you can. It will be easy for you for filling the application. Demographic information is your gender and marital state. If you are married, click on married and add your children if you have it, and write your birthday here. Birth country. Is your mother a citizen of Qatar? So you can click your no. Citizen and residency. So you are international. Which country you are belong? Like if you belong from a European country, United Kingdom, America, or Asian country, Pakistan, India, and any other country, you can click on citizenship. Add your passport number and add your passport expiry date. After, so your then click the academics. In the academic section, they will just ask you about your university. You have to write the name of your university and write the country name. For example, if I am Pakistani, I made my master's degree from Pakistan. I write the university name, and then I will add the university country. For example, I show you here. They ask you something, the university attendant. Are you currently enrolled in the university? You can click no. If you already graduated, you can click on no. If you are not graduated, you can click on yes. In order to search by a name, enter at least three characters of the university. You can click the university name. So there, if there is no organization found, you just click on a country and choose find your country and just click on that. So this university Pakistan, and click on Pakistan. Same as if you have more than one degree, you can add the other degrees information here. Okay. Now the important thing I want to tell you here, the last section they ask you about the exam of IELTS, GRE. If you don't have these exam, you can left it because it's not mandatory. If it mandatory, they will write put a star on it, a red star. You have to add the information which is mandatory, which is mentioned by red star. If there is no red star, it's like optional. If you have it, you can upload it. If you don't have it, you are not you are not it's not mandatory to upload it. So remember this thing. You can submit your application without IELTS. Okay, the work experience. If you have any kind of, please list jobs you have during the past 3 years, including your summer employment. Select add work experience for each job. If you have any kind of job, you can add the work experience. Like if you did any part-time job, some summer job, winter job, any kind of internship jobs, you can add the information here. Otherwise, you can left it blank if you don't have any kind of experience about it. Now here you have to add some additional information like the native language. Now if you from any country, like from European country, you can choose your native language English. If you are from India, you can choose the Hindi. I'm Pakistani, so therefore I choose the Urdu. Or if you belong from Saudi Arabia, Somalia, any country like Indonesia, you can choose your language. Are you interested in a campus housing? You can click yes. Okay, how will you fund your education? So they have four part. I am self-funded, do not require a scholarship. I could be self-funded but would like be considered for scholarship. I require a scholarship, and I have government employer scholarship. Now here you have to choose only a third section. I require a scholarship from HBKU in order to attend. So you have to choose this scholarship. Don't left this part empty. Have you previously applied? You can click it no. And last part, do you have any medical and condition or disability required? If you have any kind of disability, you can click on it and write the information. If you don't have it, you can left it blank or put it no. Now the important thing I want to tell you, there are some students who are disabled but are educated. They did not get any scholarship. Though these such kind of chances are very important from the disabled persons, so they can apply on the lot of scholarship. Mostly in the Europe, they have separate quota for the disabled section. And now the additional information where you learn hear about the HBKU social media decision factor. This part is very important. What is the primary factor influence your decision to apply to the Hamad bin Khalifa University? So you can choose any one, depends on you. What is a secondary factor? You can choose anyone. They have lot of answers here. Okay, certification. Please affirm the following before you submit. Do you certify the following? I understand that once my application has been submitted, it may not be altered anyway. You can click yes. Do you certify that I certify that all of the information submitted in the application is my own work, futurely true, honestly presented? I authorize that all school attendees to release all requested record. It means that you are giving the information about your degrees is all corrected or is a false. You can click it yes. Do you certify the following? I understand that an offer of admission is conditional pending receipt of final transcripts showing work comparable in quality to that upon which we offered was based. You can click it yes. And next thing is be by signing below. I agree the following: statement of integrity, statement of application and integrity, statement of ethical integrity, statement of data protection. They will write your name here and your signature date, the today date or a date that on which day you have to apply, and then you can click on review before submission. Just click it and they will open the all page. If there is any kind of mistake, they will show you. Or if they you left something there, you have to upload it. Okay, now one thing that after preview that they will show you these part which you have to edit again. The attended from year field is required. You can click attended from year, from month, and attend to year field is required. The graduate field is required. Type of degree earned is required, because they did not ask these things. You can check that there is no space here to upload the document. I already told you, first you have to fill the document, write a signature. After preview they will show you this section. You have to add the information about your degrees, your the other materials, like your research proposal, like. And after that, when you fill all of the things here, they will show you the submit section here. But you have to fill all of the parts, like your day of attending the school and your graduation date. These all of the things they will ask here. What kind of degree you studied, what is the major of your studies, and any kind of language instruction you have, and degree attendance type field is required. These you can just click on one of these, and you can add the information or submit. So like I share this video group circle, so they can get such kind of opportunities. And if you have any query, just comment on the section, and just don't comment rude comment like this scholarship is not present, you are lying, you are lying. Until you did not watch a video or you did not search on the website, you did not get any information. If you can't understand the English, it's your mistake. You are going to apply for international scholarship, or you want a scholarship without IELTS, but you cannot understand English, it's your mistake. You are not eligible for a scholarship. Like if you click on the graduate field is required, you can just click on graduate here, and then you can add the information like that. Save and continue. Share this video and remember me until the next video. Allah Hafiz.